Hi and welcome to our monthly SEO case study, and this one is on Best Locksmith Melbourne website. Our current time in Sydney, it's Monday 9th at 10:50 AM. Just take that and stick it in our notepad. As you can see, last month was Thursday the 7th of April. Now, if we go and grab our URL, and we'll stick it in Majestic SEO. Okay, so you can see that with our historical, just get the settings right here, our historical backlinks, we're now up to 821. We're at 567 last time. So as you can see, they're slowly increasing. So let's just grab that, external backlinks. $821. And we'll go to Market Samurai and hit update to update rank tracker and see where we're actually ranking for the keywords that we're targeting. Okay, now Market Samurai has come back with the results, and so let's just compare them briefly. So as you can see, 1 month ago on the 7th of April, Emergency Locksmith Melbourne, we were ranked number 4. Emergency Locksmith Melbourne, we're still ranked number 4, so there hasn't been any change there. Auto Locksmith Melbourne, we were ranked 5. Auto Locksmith Melbourne, we're ranked number 2 now. Locksmith Melbourne, which is our main keyword, we were 7th, and we're now up to 3rd, which is very good. Melbourne Locksmith, we were ranked 8th. We're now up to 3rd for that also, which is very good. 24-hour Locksmith Melbourne, we were number 9, and we've moved up a little bit to number 7. Automotive Locksmith Melbourne, we were 11th, and now we're up to 3rd for that as well. So you can see there's some significant gains happened this month after our 3rd month of our SEO campaign. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy these and stick them in our notepad for next month. But as you can see, we're starting to get some quite good rankings for our keywords now after only 3 months. Now this was an established site, remember, so it's going to react to all the search engine optimization work that we are doing. Nevertheless, they're pretty good results. Okay, so we've got our keywords and the URLs that we're ranking for there, ready to go for next month. And I'll see you in the next month's video.